Hello guys, welcome back to my How YouTube channel. So as of today, I'll be teaching you on how to load your phone using Union Bank application. So at first, you'll need to have the Union Bank application and you'll need to have your account. At first, you'll need to turn on your Wi-Fi or your data. Turn on the Wi-Fi, hit the Union Bank application so it will load, and you'll need to enter your credentials, your password. So enter your password. So hit login, and you will be sent an OTP or one-time password. So hit continue, and you will now be routed to your dashboard. So as you can see on my dashboard, it has my name and also the current balance that I have. So at the bottom part, you will see dashboard, send, request, pay bills, or buy load. So hit buy load and enter the phone number that you're trying to load. Let me go ahead and load my phone number. So as you can see, I have already my phone number in here, and at the top you will see a next button. So hit next, and you'll need to choose on how much load you're gonna purchase. So for like example, I'll be purchasing the 150 load. So hit next. So it will load again, and the last or the transaction will come in. So we'll need to purchase load 150. So let me try again and try it again. So you will see this. I'm so sorry. So you will see this transaction summary once you already have successfully purchased the load. And as you can see, you were being sent that you were loaded. So 150 prepaid credits was loaded to your mobile. So that's it. That is the most easy way to load your phone using Union Bank application. I do hope that you enjoy with my video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, this is How Channel. Thank you.